Well, hello traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for June 6, 2012. I have our range bar chart up on the screen here to start because just wanted to go over the trades we took. This was on the Globex. We start 2 mornings a week at 3 a.m. so we can trade the early morning Globex on the emini Dow. We took 5 trades last night before I decided to hang it up and go to bed. The first trade was a long right here. Oh, let's just go over the numbers. 5 trades, 3 and 2, and a plus 35 points on the Globex. And then on the day station emini Dow, we went 1, 3, and 3 plus 47 points. So the total for the day was a very respectable 82 points. So we got long here, 12,182. This is the trigger right here. And I took it breaking this bar. So 12,182 was our entry. And how we trade the range bar on the Globex here. The entry bar counts as one bar, and then after 3 more bars have formed and completed, for a long, we will put our stop just below the low of the lowest bar. That happened to be the entry bar. So we entered at 182. We put our stop at 112,177. And as you see, we got stopped out on that for minus 15 points. Our next trade yesterday morning, or in the morning, was a short 12,173. That was at 12:08, and ended up getting 14 points total profit on that one. Next trade was a long, and that was at 12:29 in the morning, and it was a trigger long. And let me show you this. Oh, yeah. I tried to have at least 2 bars, two blue bars for a long here. So we take our long, even though the trigger was here, the next bar was a high of 12,173. So we entered at 12,174 on this bar, and then you can see the price just started to go up. And 12,174, our stop on that would be brought to 12,170, 1 point below the low of the 4 bars that form on entry. So we ended up with plus 29 points on that trade. We ended up 175. Actually, right here on this bar was the move. And the 4 bars, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars that formed, the entry bar and 3 more bars. The high of this bar was 12,185, so our stop was 12,186, and we got stopped out of that trade with a 22 points total here, loss. And then, oh, 1 point about that. Because the market was looking very, very strong, I only took that one with 2 contracts. So that was 11 points on 2 contracts and minus 22 points. And then the next trade we took was with 3 contracts. It was a long. And we got filled at 12,190. I had a point of slippage on my fill price. I was looking for 189 trigger long. And we ended up with 29 points on that, and just a little bit of bad luck there. I brought my, after we got in the first two targets, 7 and 15 points, and we'd gotten up to almost 20 points to the good here. I brought the third contract up to plus 7. It came back, hit the that area, and stopped us out, plus 7. So a total of plus 29. But had I not moved that stop up quite so aggressively, we actually ended up hitting our 30-point target, which is our final contract target to the upside here. Hit that right to the point. So 12,220. So that would have been over a 50-point gain instead of a 29-point gain. But I was happy with that, and I called it a night. Went to bed after the final contract was out of there. So I was in bed by about a little bit before 1 o'clock. Well, that was great. I'm going to put my trade sheet up so now you can see all the trades we took. And there I put the daily trade sheet up on the screen. And you can see all of the day's tradings that we do every day. I post the trade sheet to our website, and you can go on and you can access that on the trading room page, the individual days. The overall weekly record of total trades taken you find on the trade results page. But on the daily trades I take, I post those on the trading room page. They're at the bottom of the page, and you can look at each day's trades. And here you can see the 5 trades we took that I just went over. And today, the 6th, they were all trigger entries. So the reason for the entry were all triggers. Got a little unlucky toward the end of the day here. Just missed a couple of pretty big trades by getting stopped out at break even, but I was trying to be very careful. I also want you to know I have posted one of our Globex trades to YouTube also, and you can take a look at that and watch the trade unfold in the trading dome, just like you were watching it in the room. And so take a look at that. If you'd like to join us for a free 1-week trial, just send me an email, info@emini-successcoach.com, or sign on to our website, sign the guest book, and let me know you'd like to be in the room, and I'll get you the information necessary for that to happen. We are, as I said when I started here, we're open 2 mornings a week now to trade on the Globex overnight. And one of the reasons I did that is that I've just found that the Globex market tends to trend much more. It's not nearly as choppy typically as the trading during the day. So that's why I'm doing it. And very successful trading on the Globex so far at night. Well, that wraps it up for the recap today. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net, Trading to Win. Have a great evening, and we'll post our recap after the end of trading tomorrow.